Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to use index laws in maths. Let's get right into it. So, with index laws, there are three types. So we've got multiplication. So when we multiply numbers with indices together, the indices add together, but this only works if the number is the same. So for example, 10 cubed times 10 squared, the 10 stays the same, but the indices don't. When you multiply the two numbers, you add the indices together. So you would do 10 to the power of 3 plus 2, which equals 10 to the power of 5. And it's that simple. The second one is division. So when you divide, you subtract the second indices from the first one, only if the number is the same. Again, for example, 10 to the power of 5 divided by 10 to the power of 3, the 10 doesn't change because it's the same number. But with the indices, you would do 10 to the power of 5 minus 3, which equals 10 squared. Now, if you get a question that looks like brackets 5 cubed brackets squared, then we multiply the indices together. So what you would do is do 5 to the power of 3 times 2 to get 5 to the power of 6. Those are the three main ones that you need to know, but there's nothing more than that. It's very simple, easy to do, and quick. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more, leave a comment down below suggesting what you think I should do next. Thanks for watching.